everyone. Let's be honest, smart gardens aren't actually smart. They're just timers. They even water the soil when it's raining, which is a waste of resources. That's why we built SAPIS, Smart Adaptive Plant Interrogation System, to stop the guessing game.
Exactly. In agriculture, precision is everything. If you over-irrigate, the plant get root rot. If you under-irrigate, the plants get biological stress. It's a lose-lose situation for farmers.
The problem is that the manual methods are reactive. By the time a plant looks wilted, the damage is already done. We needed a way to interrogate the environment in real time before the plant suffers.
The biggest issue in modern technology isn't just forgetting to water, it's oversaturation. When you dump water on a plant that doesn't need it, you're causing root rot and nutrient leaching, which basically starves the plant from inside out.
Exactly. On the flip side, manual watering is reactive. By the time the gardener notices a wilted leaf, the plant is already under biological stress. You've just wasted time growth.
Current dump system just use timers to don't care if it's humid or bone dry. This leads to water waste and unhealthy crops. We were just guessing using data-driven irrigation.
That's why we made SAPIS. It's a closed-loop system. It doesn't move until the data tells it to. We use sensors to grab live data of the soil and the air around the plant.
Instead of guessing, we're using actual maps to keep the plant alive 24/7.
This is the auto watering plant system. Sometimes we often face problems like forgetting to water the plants. But with this innovation, it can ensure the hydration of the plants without the worry of forgetting. Without this innovation, the plants will likely wilt from dehydration. We used microbit to program this project. A sensor is installed to detect the rate of soil moisture. A pump is included for the watering process. It activates when the sensor detects the soil is drier than recommended. The microbit programming will produce a beep sound, and the LED light panels will display a sad icon, and the lights on the side will show red. Then the water pump proceeds to pump water into the soil until the LED panels display a happy icon and the lights turn green, indicating the soil is at a healthy moisture.
So guys, what is the benefit of SAPIS? Benefits? The biggest win here is water efficiency. You only use water when the data says it's absolutely necessary.
In our testing, this is way more water than a traditional sprinkler or a manual schedule.
It's better for the environment and it keeps your plants way healthier because the level stays consistent.
Oh, now I understand.
You can use it everywhere, from a small pot in your room to school garden or even a big farm.
It saves a ton of time for farmers since they don't have to manually check every single row of crops. It's basically base gardening plug and play for anyone else.
At the end of the day, we need plants for food and oxygen, so we should probably start taking better care of them.
Tech like SAPIS proves that sustainable doesn't need to be hard work. We're combining coding and nature for a greener future.
Thanks for listening.